So I have some bad news and also good news in a way. One of the reasons why I haven't well, actually two reasons I haven't posted anything on my YouTube channel. Number one is my music licensing expired, so I was working on fixing that to update my subscription. The second problem happened. So during the typhoon here in the Philippines, Typhoon Mai, I did not lock my window properly. So I didn't close it and it was raining heavy and it kind of damaged my laptop. I put my laptop on the floor and it was flooding and I kind of ruined my laptop. So I'll make a full vlog about that when I fix my laptop. So currently I'm working on my laptop right now and I'm fixing my laptop. So yeah, I just run some diagnosis. I run some. Let me put this down here. Sorry, I'm recording on my phone, so I run some diagnosis on my laptop, and the only problem now is the battery. I think it's got ruined by water, so I have to just buy a new battery. Now the only problem with this laptop is that I cannot do direct current in. So when I tried it while the battery was still okay, I plugged it in and the power actually go through because this light here turned on and then just died out. So I need to get a new battery and fix all this stuff. I think this light is ruining the shot. So yeah, this is the problem I'm facing right now, but I'm gonna work on that. I think the only downside to it is that I have like 7 or 8 vlogs that I already complete rendered and I didn't put it on my hard drive because I usually, after I render every vlog, I put it on my hard drive. I did not do that, so everything is on the laptop. So fingers crossed that I got the new battery and it will work. So hence the reason why I haven't done any uploading on my YouTube channel. So yeah, I think probably this week or next week I'm gonna fix it and then I'm gonna upload the whole 7 vlog, probably like upload daily for 7 days straight. So yeah, but otherwise I'm still like doing vlog and I'm just keeping everything on here on the memory card and then later I'll edit it. So yeah, that's the reason why I haven't uploaded any vlog yet. So fingers crossed I'll do that soon. For the time being, you can actually watch my other vlogs. I have like 400 of them. Yeah, see you on the next one.